Learning English every day. Hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to talk about something that can change your English completely. Learning English every day. Many people want to improve their English, but they think they need to study for several hours every day. That's not always true. You don't need to study English all day. You just need to practice regularly. Even 15 or 20 minutes every day can make a big difference. The most important thing is consistency. Let's imagine that you learn 5 new English words today. Tomorrow you learn 5 more. Then you learn 5 more the next day. After 1 month, you will have learned many new words. That's the power of small daily habits. My daily English practice is simple. I usually start my morning by listening to English. Sometimes I listen to a short podcast. Sometimes I watch a short video. I don't always understand every word. And that's okay. My goal is not to understand everything. My goal is to get used to hearing English. When you listen to English every day, your ears slowly become familiar with the sounds, rhythm, and pronunciation. After listening, I like to learn a few new words. I don't try to memorize a huge list. I choose just a few useful words. For example, if I learn the word improve, I don't only remember its meaning. I also make a sentence. I want to improve my English. Then I try to use the word again later. This makes it easier to remember. Another thing I like to do is read. Reading is one of the best ways to build vocabulary. You can read a short story. You can read a news article. You can read a blog post. You can even read simple social media posts in English. You don't need to read difficult books. Choose something that you can understand and enjoy. When you find a new word, don't stop every few seconds to look it up. First, try to understand its meaning from the sentence. Sometimes the words around it give you enough information. Then, if the word is important, check its meaning later. This makes reading more enjoyable. Speaking is also very important. But what if you don't have someone to practice with? No problem. You can talk to yourself. It may feel strange at first, but it really works. Talk about your day. Say what you are doing. Describe your room. Talk about your plans. For example, you can say, I'm making breakfast. After breakfast, I'm going to work. Today, I have 3 important things to do. These simple sentences help you think in English. Another useful habit is keeping a small English diary. You don't need to write a long story. Just write 3 or 4 sentences about your day. For example, today was a busy day. I went to work in the morning. I had lunch with my friend. In the evening, I watched an English video. Simple writing like this helps you practice grammar and vocabulary at the same time. Pronunciation is another area that you can practice every day. Choose a short sentence from a video or podcast. Listen carefully. Then repeat it. Try to copy the speaker's pronunciation and rhythm. You don't have to sound exactly like the speaker. The goal is to speak clearly and confidently. Another important habit is reviewing what you have already learned. Don't always focus on new words. Go back to old words too. Review yesterday's vocabulary. Review last week's phrases. Try to use them in new sentences. Review helps move information from short-term memory into long-term memory. One mistake many learners make is waiting for the perfect time to study. They say, I'll start tomorrow, or I'll study when I have more free time. But there may never be a perfect time. Instead, use the time you already have. Listen to English while you're walking. Practice vocabulary while you're having a break. Read a short article before going to bed. You can find small opportunities throughout the day. You can also change your environment to include more English. Set your phone to English. Write your shopping list in English. Follow English-speaking channels. Listen to English music. Watch movies with English subtitles. The more English you see and hear, the more natural it becomes. Of course, some days will be difficult. Maybe you're tired. Maybe you're busy. Maybe you don't feel motivated. That's normal. You don't have to do a lot every day. On a busy day, even 5 minutes of English is better than nothing. The goal is to keep the habit alive. Remember, learning English is a journey. You won't become fluent overnight. But if you practice every day, you will slowly notice changes. You will understand more. You will remember more words. You will speak with more confidence. And one day you may realize that English has become a natural part of your daily life. So don't worry about studying perfectly. Focus on practicing regularly. Listen a little. Read a little. Speak a little. Write a little. Learn a few new words. And then do it again tomorrow. Small steps every day can lead to big results. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. How often do you practice English? How many minutes do you spend learning English each day? What do you enjoy most? Reading, listening, speaking, or writing? What is the biggest challenge you face when learning English? And what English goal would you like to achieve? Thank you so much for listening. I hope today's commentary motivates you to practice English every day. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Little by little, your English will improve. Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, don't give up.